Guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of April 2025. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 10 1x, and we're using the RSI indicator. So it's going up there, so I click on lower. So we're using the RSI indicator, and we're going to be trading the high low as a high low right there. So you can see when it's going up, that's when you click on the lower. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 10 1x, you click on it. Then you go to the indicator right here, you click on the momentum, you click on the RSI, and it's going to show right here. Then you go to this trade type here, you click on the high low, shows the high low right there. Set this to 4 minutes, enter the barrier plus 2.33. So we're trading the lower. Once this is going up, once it's going up, you're going to click on lower. So we place that trade here. We have 3 minutes 7 seconds left, so let's wait. And you can see the buy sell indicator here is, you can see $16, 15.90. This indicator works on Deriv and all Forex pairs that support MT5. We're giving it away for free. You can see I'm using it on the volatility index 25, 50, 75, Euro USD as well. You can see it's going up right there, so I'm going to buy. The last signal there is buy. USD CHF is going down. You can see it's still going down. I'm going to sell here, and you can see some trades here. I'm still online. Some are in profit. I'm going to close them when they hit. Some are in profit. Let me close this one. So I have all these ones as well. The USD CHF I just sold, and the Euro USD I just bought. You can see they're red, but I'm online. I'm going to close them once they're in profit as well. And there are other trades as well here. This is in profit, so I'm still online. So to get this indicator, the instructions will be pasted. We have 1 minute 52 seconds left there. The instructions will be pasted in the video description. And for those who haven't purchased the Toscaper board, there's a board right there, and you can see it's automated. It works on Deriv, the Pip Stripper board as well. We're also giving away free ebooks if you purchase any of our boards. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So the links are right here, the links to order the Pip Stripper board and the Toscaper board are in the video description. And for those who want this indicator for free, this indicator we're giving it away for free. All you have to do is to sign up for a trading account using this link right here. Then subscribe to all our channels, check the video description, send an email with the last digits of your account to this email with the subject free indicator. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here. Check the video description. That's the link to order the Pip Stripper. Check the video description, and the link to order the Toscaper as well. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And those are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, the second channel, and the third channel. And there are other infos right there as well. There's a link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So you can see the time count right here. The time count, we have just 19 seconds left there. So don't forget, when it's going up, you click on the lower. Once it's pushing right up, you click on the lower. So we want that trade there, just a few seconds left. So that's it. You can see we made 7.97 right there. So you can go on and on. Once it's going up, 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 you click on lower. So that's it for now. We're going to drop some strategies across all the channels today, 1st of April 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, share the videos. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.